Proceed with the eighth sum. In the eighth sum, there has been a figure which has been given to you, and in this figure मुझे क्या given है और क्या prove करने का है. Let's see. First, it is been given that segment AB parallel to segment DC. DC और AB parallel है. That is given to me. So I will start with my first. Always is given. AB segment parallel to DC segment. Okay, that's all. बाकी कुछ given नहीं है. Next, using this information of the diagram, find the value of x. So I will have to find में. You have to find the value of x. Let's start with the proof. Very simple sum. देखो अभी हम लोग का है ना thought process कैसे होना चाहिए. This figure I can divide it into two parts. First is triangle DOC and triangle BOA. ऐसा ही नाम क्यों लिया? Because D का opposite कौन है? B. So अगर DOC लिया तो मुझे इधर से ही start करना पड़ेगा BOA. So these are my two triangles I am going to consider. एक बार students मैंने triangles को similar prove कर दिया ना, I will prove this triangle and this triangle similar. One time I prove it similar, then can I say I can use my CSHT, corresponding sides of similar triangles. That means this upon this equal to this upon this equal to this upon this, and hence I can equate and get the value of x easily. Are you getting it? So let's begin with first selecting the two triangles. In triangle DOC and triangle BOA. So your proof, the first statement, in triangle DOC and triangle BOA, I will have my first statement as, first guys, check, angle DOC congruent to angle BOA, because angle O, these are vertically opposite angles, VOA, right? So I will say angle DOC congruent to angle BOA. The reason for this is going to be vertically opposite angles. I'm just writing short form, okay? This is standing for angles. Second point. Can I say, देखो ना, DC और AB they are parallel to each other. तो I can say ये जो अंदर का एंगल है ना is equal to this angle. क्योंकि can you see a Z formation? Yes. तो जब भी ऐसा कुछ Z formation आया ना, तो दोनों के अंदर के एंगल सेम होने वाले हैं, right? Alternate angles. I would rather say converse of alternate angles. Are you getting it? So I will say angle CDO, or better angle CDB congruent to angle ABD. पर मुझे ये पूरा एंगल नहीं चाहिए, मुझे सिर्फ O तक चाहिए. चलेगा ना? मेरे को ये एंगल से मतलब है, ये लाइन कितना आगे जा रहा है, आई एम नॉट कंसर्न्ड विद दैट. व्हाट विल आई राइट इज एंगल CDO congruent to angle ABO, converse of alternate angle test. But before that you have to write AB segment is parallel to CD segment. The reason for this is given. And now I can write, therefore angle CDO congruent to angle ABO. The reason is the previous statement, because they are parallel तो ही मैं उसको congruent prove कर सकता हूँ. So I will have my reason as statement number 2 plus I can say converse of alternate angle test alternate angle का मतलब Z formation. And one more reason I have to write is, actually ये पूरा एंगल है कॉन्ग्रुएंट, पर हम लोग है ना इधर तक स्टॉप कर रहे हैं, तो आई विल राइट D डैश O dash B, they all line in a same straight line. तो इट डजेंट मेक अ डिफरेंस कि मैं O पे स्टॉप करूं या B पे स्टॉप करूं, एंगल तो सेम ही रहने वाला है ना. वो मुंह खुलता है, डिग्री तो सेम ही रहेगी ना. सो आई विल राइट D dash O dash B. 3 reasons to be written in this statement. Now, if this angle is congruent and this angle is congruent, दो एंगल congruent हो गए, can I say it's more than enough to prove that the triangles are similar? There is no need for this third angle to be proven as congruent. So I will say therefore दो angles हो गए ना, proof हो गया. Third is assumed it is congruent. Therefore triangle DOC similar to triangle BOA. And my answer, my reason will be angle test, AA test. Once they are congruent, can I say their sides are in proportion? So DO upon BO